Yeah.
Okay.
Steamed noodles. Yeah,
Right.
with
We just
string beans and bean sprouts inside. Yeah.
Perfect.
Right. Okay, and after that, Brian, 1 second, let me put right here.
No, it's great.
You guys can
I
see
love
us.
seeing the inside of the kitchen and all the ingredients.
Yeah, you guys can see, right?
Yeah, we can see
So
wonderfully.
first we use, here, Brian, this is palm sugar.
Palm sugar. Yes.
Palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, don't worry. Just regular sugar, that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is like more special. Tastes better. Yeah.
Of course.
Palm sugar. It's kind of like the whole part here, but we just use only like maybe a quarter. Yeah. A quarter.
And
if you like,
I guess it softens in the broth, or do you soften it before you put it in?
It's gonna be soft in the broth.
In the broth, because the broth.
This is like a hard texture.
Yes.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. I've cooked with that. I've made some Thai dishes, so.
Yeah. Right.
Of course I have.
And here is fresh lime juice. Yes, squeeze fresh lime. Yeah,
Perfect.
better.
Of course.
2 tablespoons. Yeah, 2 tablespoons. Yeah. Yes. And next is fish sauce. Yeah. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Okay. And after it's like chili powders.
Okay.
That's up to you. If you like spicy, put whatever you like.
Sure.
For me, perfect spicy. Just 1 spoon is enough.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay. 1 spoon. Uh-huh. And then you mix it with broth. Okay. Yes.
Okay. And what kind of broth is this? This chicken
broth?
broth?
This is chicken broth. Yeah.
Okay.
So mix it.
Oh, and look at that beautiful color already.
Yeah. Yes. And you put over your noodles.
Uh-huh.
Like this. And you garnish with this is ground pork.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, Brian, the north region, very far from the coast. Yeah.
Yes.
So we don't really use seafood in our cuisine ingredient that much. Yeah, but this is a meatball, Brian. Right.
Ah.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, my mouth is watering just watching this.
Yes, meatball, and then we have boiled egg. Yeah.
Okay.
Get more fancy.
More fancy.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Ah, it's wonderful.
And then after, we're gonna top with raw bean sprouts. Okay. Raw bean sprouts.
So what is in your meatball? Is it a pork meatball?
It's pork and flour.
Pork and flour.
Pork and flour, and seasoned with like some salt and pepper.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And you just put like cilantro and scallions on that.
Yep. And you can see all the flavors there.
Fried garlic. Full option.
Yeah.
And
wonderful.
Crushed peanuts. And lastly is crispy wonton. Okay, let's try it.
Oh yeah, I wish.
Yeah. Sorry,
you
had it before.
No, of course.
Oh my God, this is so good. Such a balance in flavor. Like spicy, as you said, right? Spicy, sour, salty. Yeah. It's such a balance in flavor.
Yeah, it really is. It's so wonderful. Are you, you know, it might be a secret. I know you shared with us the recipe, but Stevie's asking if they could get the recipe for the meatballs as well. Or is that, that's kind of a secret?
No problem.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. Well, maybe, yeah, if you're able to share with us in the chat or something, that would be.
Definitely. Yes,
yeah, that'd be great. So if there's any other questions for the chefs here about their restaurant or about Northern Thai cuisine, this is the time. But yeah, You guys are so lucky enjoying this. So everyone make sure to check out A+ Thai Place. We're dropping in all of the details on how to find them and stay in touch. And again, we'll be posting the recipes. We're watching them. Well, it's good. I'm glad someone's enjoying this. I'll just have to head up there again, which is not too hard for me. So again, thank you so, so much. This has been really, really wonderful. Thank you for sharing your story and your restaurant and your food.
Thank you so much, Brian.
Yes, it's my pleasure. Thank you guys. And